What's up, you guys? Quick video for y'all. As you can see, I have my nails polished. I had started to do a video. I did an acrylic overlay over my short nails for the first time, and I did start recording it, but it was my first time. Y'all know I'm not a nail tech. I'm just like self-taught. You know, so I didn't know what the heck I was doing. I didn't like the way that it was looking so terrible, so I was like, I'm gonna like not film this and like just try to finish it and see what happens. But it actually ended up looking better at the end once I like, you know, buffed them and filed them and all of that. But I just could not record it, even though in the recorder I was like, okay, you know, y'all know this is my first time, I don't know what I'm doing, so just bear with me here. My nails are really short. I'm used to putting my you know, putting these on and putting acrylic over these, not these little tiny nubs, so it was a little challenging. But yeah, I have an acrylic overlay. I had used a nude pink because in the video, I'm gonna put a little piece in here too so y'all can see a little bit of what I was doing. But today I'm gonna try something I've never tried before. It's gonna be my first time doing this, so it's basically like a practice thing. I just took let me get it, my nail polish off of my nails, and remember, this was the last polish that I used, was the Simple Colors Kryptonite, and it stained my nails. I tried to get as much off as I could, but you can see it's still there. Like, I didn't buffed it. I used my my nail drill buffer. I used a file. I used a buffer, did like this over them. Like, I went around it with more nail polish remover. I tried everything and they're still like stained. So anywho, I wanted to like do something. I'm a little bored, and then like I said, I just wanted to kind of practice doing a acrylic overlay on these super duper short nails. Like I said, I've never done it before. I'm just practicing. Y'all know I'm not no nail tech. I'm just, you know, practicing and learning as I go. So yeah, I want to give it a try. And I was thinking about doing my new pink acrylic powder that I don't think I've used this yet. It's really light, so it have some color over the nail. You won't be able to see that stain on my nails, because I'm pretty sure you'll be able to see it with the clear. So I was going to try the nude pink, and even with the nude pink, it is very light. Even with the nude pink, you could still see the stain through them. So I did make a video like I usually do, me polishing my nails of the week. I was too busy on TikTok, and I ended up making a TikTok video. So as you can see, I did 2 different colors. I hadn't planned on that. I was just gonna only do this, and I had turned around and looked and seen this, and I was like, I wonder if I just do those 2 together on both different hands and just do some fun nails. I just thought it was kind of fun, cute triangles and dots here, and then these are just all dots, and this one glows in the dark. So yeah, I did this on TikTok, and I think I got video saved on my phone that I could throw in here and show you guys the TikTok video I did. it. But I used KB Shimmer, Pique My Interest, and Pretty and Glam Candy Crush. This is an indie. I don't know if she's still open. I came across this on Instagram. I've had this a couple years. It's like acrylic. Both of them are acrylics. So yeah, I polished it with that, and then I did a light little top coat of the I&M Northern Lights on top just to give it a little bit of sparkle. Yeah, and that was it. But yes, this stained my nails so bad. I haven't had stained nails in a very long time. So yeah, I just wanted to come on, let y'all know that I had tried an acrylic overlay for the first time. I guess like if I do it again or do a fill-in or something, maybe I'll go ahead and record that. I was just doing such a terrible job. Terrible. So I just turned the camera off, but I'll throw in a couple of clips so you guys can see a little bit of my acrylic overlay on my short nubs fail. But I definitely want to share my nail polish of the week with y'all. I think it's kind of different, something fun. And yeah, that's it. Alright, bye y'all. Thank you for watching.